Let's talk about marble, a job as old as civilization itself. For thousands of years, humans have been drawn to this remarkable stone, shaping it, carving it, and building with it. Marble's story is woven into the very fabric of our history, from the earliest empires to the modern world. Before it becomes a luxury countertop in a designer kitchen or a grand monument admired by millions, marble starts its journey as a prisoner, locked away deep inside a mountain. It waits, hidden for millennia, until human hands and ingenuity set it free. This isn't just any rock. It's a symbol of ambition, power, and legacy. Marble has always been the material of choice for those who want to leave a mark that lasts beyond their own lifetime. The Lincoln Memorial, Michelangelo's David, the Taj Mahal, each carved from marble, each a testament to human vision, creativity, and the desire to be remembered. These masterpieces stand as proof that marble can transform human dreams into something tangible and eternal. Marble is timeless, both in its physical weight and its deeper meaning. It weathers centuries, enduring storms and sun, yet it never loses its allure. Its surface may age, but its essence remains unchanged. Touch it and you feel permanence, a slice of geological time in your hands. Each vein and swirl tells a story written over millions of years, a silent witness to the planet's ancient past. People pay a premium for marble, not just for its beauty, but for its connection to something ancient and enduring. Owning marble is like owning a piece of history, a fragment of the Earth's own artistry, shaped by nature and refined by human skill. But most never see the grit, sweat, and danger behind the polished surface. The journey from raw stone to refined masterpiece is long and perilous, filled with challenges that test both man and machine. Marble's journey is a dirty, dangerous job, one of the oldest and toughest around. It's a process that demands strength, precision, and courage, as workers face the constant threat of falling rock and heavy machinery. Quarry workers use everything from diamond-tipped saws to sheer brute force, risking it all to extract these massive stones. Each block is a triumph of human determination over nature's resistance. They're the unsung heroes behind every majestic column and flawless floor, the hands that make possible the beauty we so often take for granted. Without their skill and sacrifice, marble would remain forever hidden. Today, we'll peel back the polished veneer and reveal the raw reality of marble harvesting. We'll step into the world of those who risk everything to bring this ancient stone to light. This is the story of those who bring a piece of the planet's core into our world, transforming raw, unyielding stone into the foundations of empires, the canvases of artists, and the dreams of generations. Why is marble so valuable? What makes this ancient stone command such staggering prices, sometimes rivaling the cost of luxury cars or even small homes? The answer lies in a fascinating blend of geology, rarity, craftsmanship, and the stories we attach to these beautiful stones. It all comes down to rarity, quality, and appearance. Marble isn't just any rock. It's a natural work of art, shaped by the earth over millions of years. The most prized varieties are celebrated for their unique veining, vibrant colors, and flawless surfaces, making each slab a one-of-a-kind masterpiece. Marble forms only under unique geological conditions, where heat and pressure transform limestone into something extraordinary. These conditions are rare, and high-quality deposits are even rarer, which is why the best marble is so highly sought after. Italy's Carrara marble is legendary, gracing everything from ancient Roman statues to modern luxury interiors. But today, China, India, and Brazil have emerged as major players, each offering their own unique varieties and colors, expanding the world's palette of marble. Prices can vary wildly. A flawless block from a famous quarry can be worth more than a luxury car, and sometimes even more than a house. The value is determined by the size, purity, and origin of the block, with some pieces fetching record-breaking sums at auction. Value is all about color, purity, and veining. Just like with diamonds, the fewer the flaws, the higher the price. Pure white marble with dramatic, elegant veining is especially prized, and experts scrutinize every slab for imperfections, clarity, and unique patterns. Each slab is unique, a one-of-a-kind piece of natural art. No two pieces are ever exactly alike, which means that when you choose a marble slab, you're selecting something truly individual, an unrepeatable creation of nature. You're not just buying stone, you're buying a story millions of years in the making. Every swirl and vein tells a tale of ancient seas, shifting continents, and the slow passage of geological time, making each piece a tangible link to Earth's distant past. The cost isn't just the rock itself, it's the expertise, danger, and labor behind every block. Extracting marble is a risky, highly skilled process, involving heavy machinery, precise cutting, and often hazardous working conditions. From geological surveys to extraction and transport, every step adds value. Teams of geologists, engineers, and skilled workers collaborate to locate, extract, and move these massive stones, ensuring that only the best pieces make it to market. The supply chain is long, specialized, and expensive. Marble travels across continents, passing through many hands, each adding their expertise and cost, before it finally arrives in a showroom or luxury home. So when you see that price tag, remember, you're paying for the entire human endeavor behind it. From the quarry to the craftsman, from the transporter to the designer, every person involved adds a chapter to the marble's journey. Marble is more than a rock. It's a masterpiece of nature and human effort, a symbol of luxury, artistry, and the enduring beauty of the earth itself. You can't just dig anywhere and find world-class marble. The search for the mountain's hidden treasure is a journey that demands patience, expertise, and a deep respect for the land itself. Geologists are like detectives, hunting for marble using detailed maps, careful rock analysis, and searching for subtle signs of ancient metamorphic activity that transformed ordinary limestone into something extraordinary. They drill deep core samples, sometimes going dozens of meters below the surface, searching for the perfect combination of color, purity, and internal structure that makes marble valuable. A beautiful surface can hide a fractured mess below. Core samples reveal the truth, exposing hidden faults, cracks, or impurities that could ruin an entire operation if left undiscovered. Data from these samples is fed into powerful computers to create 3D models of the deposit, mapping out the best spots to excavate and helping teams avoid costly mistakes. The planning is meticulous. One wrong move can cost millions. Every decision, from where to dig to how to transport the marble, is carefully calculated. The deposit must be big and high quality enough to justify the massive investment. If the marble isn't up to standard, the entire project could be abandoned. Exploration can take years and requires patience, expertise, and serious money before a single block is sold. Teams return season after season, gathering more data and refining their plans. Logistics matter. Is the site accessible? Can heavy trucks and equipment reach the mountain? Or will new roads need to be carved through rugged terrain? Can roads and equipment reach it? What's the environmental impact? Every move must balance profit with responsibility to the environment and local communities. Finding marble is just the first step. The real challenge is getting it out safely and profitably, without damaging the precious stone or the surrounding landscape. It's a high-stakes puzzle, blending science, risk, and vision. Every member of the team must work together, solving problems as they arise. Only after all this does the real work begin. The dawn of extraction marks the start of a new chapter where months or even years of preparation finally pay off. The mountain's hidden treasure is hard-won. Each polished slab is a testament to the effort, expertise, and determination it takes to unlock nature's masterpiece. Once a marble deposit is confirmed, the mountain gets its first major haircut. Workers remove the overburden, tons of rock and soil to expose the marble vein. They carve giant steps or benches into the mountainside for safe access. This is loud, dusty, and dangerous work. Engineers calculate each bench's size to keep the quarry stable. One mistake could trigger a landslide. Safety is everything. The site is constantly monitored for instability. Workers rappel down sheer walls, cleaning and inspecting the marble for cracks. They're the first to truly see the stone's quality up close. Roads are carved for trucks and equipment, and water and power lines are installed for cutting machines. The quarry transforms from wild mountain to organized worksite. Every step is about safety, efficiency, and setting the stage for extraction. Only when the face is perfectly prepared can the main event begin. The mountain is ready for its transformation. Now comes the heart of the process, cutting a $1 million block from the mountain. No dynamite here, precision is key. Diamond wire saws, steel cables studded with diamonds, slice through marble like cheese wire. Workers drill precise holes, thread the wire, and start the cut, cooling it with water. These blocks can weigh hundreds of tons. One wrong move and it's disaster. Quarrymen use jacks and levers to tip the block safely onto a bed of rubble. The quarry master, often with decades of experience, directs every move, reading the stone's behavior. It's a blend of engineering, intuition, and tradition. The goal: maximize yield, ensure safety, and preserve the stone's quality. Extraction is both science and art, passed down through generations. This is where raw mountain becomes treasure. Once freed, the marble block faces its next challenge: moving. Massive loaders lift and transport these multi-ton giants across the quarry. Every move is slow and calculated. A dropped block could mean disaster. The ground is constantly maintained to support the weight. Blocks are trimmed and graded on site, each marked with a unique code. Specialized trucks haul them down steep, winding roads. Drivers are among the best in the world. It's a nerve-wracking crawl from mountain to market. The journey is as dramatic as the stone itself. The marble's next stop is the processing plant, where raw power meets precision. Gang saws slice blocks into slabs, revealing book-matched patterns prized by designers. Slabs move to the polishing line, where rotating heads buff the surface to a mirror finish. The transformation is stunning. Dull stone becomes gleaming luxury. Some slabs are treated with resin for strength and stain resistance. Each is inspected, graded, and photographed for catalogs. Most go to showrooms. The finest are reserved for sculptors and artisans. Here, marble becomes art, continuing a tradition from Michelangelo to today. The block's journey from mountain to masterpiece is complete. Marble's true beauty is finally revealed. You can't carve a mountain without leaving a mark. Marble quarrying has a big environmental footprint: giant scars, waste rock, and dust. For every ton of marble, several tons of waste are produced. Modern quarries now recycle water and filter marble dust, reducing pollution. Marble powder is repurposed for construction, agriculture, even toothpaste. Restoration is key. Closed quarries are resculpted, replanted, sometimes turned into parks. The industry is shifting from extraction to stewardship. The goal: balance beauty with responsibility. Technology and regulation are making a difference, but there's more to do. The future of marble depends on how well we protect the planet it comes from. What's next for marble? The industry stands at a crossroads. Tradition meets technology. Demand for authentic, natural stone remains strong. Automation, robotics, and drones are making quarrying safer and more efficient. But human expertise, the quarry masters and artisans, remains irreplaceable. The future is a blend of old wisdom and new tools, maximizing value and minimizing impact. Marble's story is our story, creating beauty, overcoming challenges, and leaving a legacy. If managed wisely, marble will inspire for generations to come. It's more than a rock. It's a piece of our shared human history, and its future is still being carved.